Don't laugh at me, you. Don't do
So you
it.
said it then, don't laugh at me. I thought, no, I can't.
Don't do it. You're being a bully. Now my camera's flickering. What are you doing? You're destroying everything. Hey everybody, Amy here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Sorry about the lighting at the moment in this video. The sun out there is so bright that if I open those curtains it floods the room with too much light and you can't see me or anything. It's just too bright. Anyway, in today's video I am going to be attempting again to upcycle some furniture. If you watch my last attempt at upcycling the mirror, I'll link it above or in the description box below, you will know that it didn't work out so well for me. So to be honest, I don't really know why I'm attempting this because the mirror was just such a massive fail. And this is so much bigger than a mirror, like it's on a much bigger scale. But I'm going in, I'm just going to go it all out and do it and just hope for the best, so fingers crossed. So this is a chest of drawers that we got from IKEA. Not the best showing of it, but there you go. Chest of drawers that we got from IKEA, and we're looking at going white in the bedroom. So we've had enough of the dark furniture now. We want to go a bit lighter, bring a bit more light into the room. So we wanted to get white furniture. And we've seen a bed that we really like, but we didn't want to have to then spend hundreds of pounds replacing all the furniture in the room as well. So we've decided that we're going to paint the furniture. Not only that, but on the drawer fronts here, I'm going to be putting wallpaper. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but I'm really hoping that it's going to work out okay. The paint that I'm using is this Rust-Oleum. This is Rust-Oleum Gloss Finish Furniture Paint, a modern high sheen gloss finish. And because it's gloss, it says that it doesn't need a lacquer when you finish. It also says that you don't need to prime or sand the wood before you paint it. You can just crack on and paint and everything should be good, hopefully. I've also got these little rollers here. One is for gloss and one is for, like, this one here is for normal emulsion. So I'm really hoping that they're going to work all right. I didn't really know what kind of brush or roller to use, so I got them. They were like £2. Nice and cheap and cheerful. I'm just going to film the whole process. I'm not going to talk you through every step or anything like that. I'm going to film the whole process, speed it up like a time lapse, and then I'll show you the result at the end. So I'm going to get cracking with that now, and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Too hard, but we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So we've finished the first unit, and here it is. I will show you a before and after picture, a proper one. I'll show you that now. It's actually taken us about 5 to 6 hours to do this. So a lot longer than what I was hoping it would take us. And the really devastating thing is that we have to now clean everything up. This is everything, most of the stuff out the drawers. Look at that. Look at the state of the bedroom. And that's Brian. Say hi, Brian.
Hello.
He's such a pleb. So yeah, we're going to have to get cracking, tidying all this up. Not only that, but look, it's all here as well. Everything. It's just, the whole room is an absolute disaster zone at the moment. So just to recap, the paint that we used was this Rust-Oleum gloss finish furniture paint in white frost. These were 2 for £24 from B&Q, so we got 2, and so £12 each. And so far we've used about half a tin, or just over half a tin on that whole unit, so it's going a lot further than what I thought it would. So I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to return this and get me £12 back. The painting aspect I thought would take ages. I thought it would be the worst part of it, but the actual worst part of it was putting the wallpaper on the drawer fronts. That was a nightmare. That's what took us the most time. The painting actually took us about half an hour, and then we left it to dry for a couple of hours, and then it took us another half an hour to do a second coat, and that's all it's had, 2 coats. And there are some patches where I think it maybe needs a third, but it's fine, we're going to leave it as it is. So in the roller kit that I bought, there was a foam roller and like a fluffy fabric style roller, and I used the foam roller because it did say that the foam one was for gloss, and it was perfect. It worked really well, and the set was only like £2.13 from B&Q. It's actually only cost us about £28 to do this, so it's obviously a lot cheaper than actually going out and buying loads of new furniture for the bedroom. Please do let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you think it's turned out well? I absolutely love it. Brian seems to like it. Do you like it, Brian? Yeah. Oh my god. He's really shy, just so you know. He doesn't like being on camera, so that's why he's really quiet. But yeah, we really love it. So again, let us know what you think. And I think that is everything for today. That is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you again so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye! You're not going to find this weird, are you?
No, I just might start laughing a little. I don't want to.
Hey guys, so... This is because you're here. Normally I can just feel it off. You're making me nervous. Right, okay, I'm going to be serious now. Don't laugh. I have to get used to doing this in front of you because I have to be able to do it in front of you. Don't laugh at me, you. Don't do
As soon as you
it!
said again, don't laugh at me, I thought, no, I can't.
Don't do it! You're being a bully. I mean, my camera's flickering. What are you doing? You're destroying everything. I can't think of what I wanted to say because you sat right there. I feel like I can't be natural.